Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello grade 4 students. Welcome back again with me, Mrs. Indrie, and now is English lesson. Okay, so please open your book, student book, unit 2, the world around us. Okay, so today we will talk and discuss about grammar. Since you are now already grade 4, now, so it's time for us to learn about the grammar. Okay, I know it's a little bit hard, but I know that you can do it also. Okay, so this is unit 2, the world around us. We're going to review the past simple. I know we had this when you were grade 3, but it was just a bit explanation. So now we're going to have a review about past simple. Okay. All right, so past simple. Past simple is to talk about past events. Something already happened in the past and already done. That's it. I'm going to draw the timeline here. So in English grammar, the timeline, there are 3: past, present, and also future. Okay, so past, present, future. We are here. Okay, so this is me, this is us, we are in the present. When we talk about the past simple, we're talking about something happening here in the past, already done, already finished, has nothing to do with the present, with us now. For example, this year is 2020, and then if you want to talk about something in the past, maybe in 2018, okay, you can use past simple. Yeah, so this is a past simple used to talk about something in the past already done and already finished and has nothing to do with us in the present. Okay, I'm going to give you explanation again. Yeah. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So last year, when you were grade 3, we were once discussing about Verb 1 and Verb 2. Okay, so with past simple, we're going to use Verb 2 a lot. For example, okay, if we're talking about the present, we will use Verb 1, right? Go, eat, talk, and then visit. Okay, I will write down only 4, yeah. And then for the Verb 2, go become went, eat become ate, talk become talked, and visit become visited. With past simple, we're going to use Verb 2 a lot. For example, in the present, right now, I will say, I go to school every day. I eat breakfast. But we're talking about the past simple, so already in the past. So we have to use Verb 2. Okay, so I went to school. This one is explaining the past. Why, miss? Because we're using the Verb 2. This one is for the present, and this one is for talking about the past. Okay, so I went to school. There is a characteristic or time signal for past simple. Yeah, for example, yesterday, blah 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 ago. And last, blah, blah, blah. These are the time signals for past simple. Yesterday, 2 days ago, 1 year ago, 2 years ago, 10 years ago, and then last January, last year, last month, all for the past. So here, you can add here, I went to school. You cannot say now because this is present right now. That's why you're going to use the time signal. I went to school yesterday. This is the past simple. Already done yesterday, has nothing to do with us now in the present. Yeah, so this is the past simple. Okay? Next. Okay. Sorry. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so next I'm going to write again, yeah, the verb 1 and the verb 2. With past simple, there is no way that you can do or you can know about past simple without memorizing the verb 2. So you have to know about the verb 2. Because you already grade 4, it's time for you to know about the verb 1 and verb 2. Verb 1 is for present, verb 2 is for the past. Yeah, okay. So I'm going to write down here again. Draw for the present, drew for the past, and then drink for the present, and then drank for the past. And then, what else? Choose for the present, and then chose for the past. Okay, just 3. Again, verb 1 is for the present. Okay, the timeline, remember? Past, present, future. Remember, verb 1 using for the present, used for the present, and for the past we use verb 2. Okay, now let's see. Let's use drew. Or let's say, Falia drew a mountain. Don't forget the time signal. Yesterday. This is very, very past simple. Verb 2, the time signal for the past. Yeah? Okay, next with drank. Mrs. Indrie drank some tea this morning. Or last month can be. This morning, this is also stating about the past because already done in the past, yeah? Already this morning, yeah? So Mrs. Indrie drank some tea last month, this morning, last year maybe, yeah? Okay, and then the last one, chose. Bill Z chose to join the club. Okay, yeah, so this one is the verb 2, the verb 2, the verb 2. Yeah, so with past simple, you have to know, you have to memorize the verb 2 form of the verb 1 because we're talking about the past. Yeah, okay, so later we will have more discussion about this during Zoom session. So I hope this is useful. Later we're going to have more discussion about this if you have question. Yeah, so I think that's it for now. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.